All right, let's make these bricks take damage now. So if you remember, over in the brick class, we have this got hit method. Or if you don't have it in there, because I can't 100% remember that I told you to put it in there, you put it in there. So what the got hit method does is it just like allows outside classes like this class over here to yell at the brick, hey, you got hit by the ball. You gotta take away some of your strength. You gotta like reduce your strength a little bit. So it says like take one away from your strength, B's strength minus minus. That's what that symbol means. And then if the strength is less than 0, we set the is active to false. Otherwise, we change the color based on this new strength. So, like, 255 full color minus B strength times 100. So 0 times 100, 1 times 100, or 2 times 100. Okay, so we have this got hit method that we have to make use of. Let's head over to the main class. We're going to be changing a very small thing in the check collisions method. So the ball, its check collisions method, sends back a true or false based on whether or not it hit this rectangle. So it sets the collision detected variable to false, and then anytime it detects a collision, it sets that to true, and then at the bottom, it returns that information. So it says, yep, hit something, nope, didn't hit something, yep, hit something. Okay, so over here we can say if the ball dot check collisions equals true, B dot got hit. That means tell this brick that it got hit. So if the ball dot get wrecked for this ball dot check collisions for this brick, if that sends back a yep, I hit it, a true, tell that brick, yo, you got hit. You got to take away some of your strength. All right, so let's run our code. It's not going to be working perfectly quite yet, but it'll be close. All right, so you can see that the bricks color diminishes and finally they vanish, but you'll see a problem in a minute, I hope. Can you see the problem? It's bouncing off invisible bricks. So the problem is we need to only have it check collisions against bricks that are active. So that's why the ball has, or the brick class has this method called getIsActive that says whether or not a brick is actually part of the game right now and should be colliding with the ball. So for brick B row in the check collisions method, we need this line of code to execute only in the case that the brick is active. So here we're going to write if b.get is active, then and only then do we want to do this line of code right there. So our method now will only be called if the brick is active. Let's see how it's looking now, if it bounces off invisible bricks or not. And it looks like it's doing what we hoped it would do. So perfect. And that's plenty for this video.